is the littlest.
Lexi is the littlest. Pua. So and then we have Leani at the end, the right side, and Moana.
And then you give your alafai. Okay, they're going to be doing green rose hula. The green rose is called the leaf rose, and John Alameda is said to have composed this song as a gift for the women he loved. Ladies and gentlemen, green rose hula.
My love, close to the green rose. The blossom is